Hello, I'm Daniela from Argentina. I'm going to show you the project I created for Bolt Hackathon. In this case, I create a decentralized app, a platform to recognize informal learning and real-world impact using Soulbound tokens. I built this app with inclusivity and purpose at its core, and I call it SoulCred. Today, millions of people learn and teach outside formal institutions, mentors, community leaders, self-taught learners, but they are rarely recognized. SoulCred solves this by letting anyone create a learning passport and mint verifiable SoulCred tokens that represent their knowledge, experience, contributions, validated by their community. Here's the home page. As you can see, okay, sorry. Here's the home page. Here you can connect to your wallet. In this case, it's not working because I had a problem at the last time, but I will correct it. There, you connect to MetaMask and then, or the wallet that you have to prove your identity. There you set your profile. This is how it looks. And here you can connect, send a message, and create and mint your own credential. Uh, well, here you have an explanation on how it works. Sorry, here for people who are not ready for Web3 ecosystem. Well, that's all. In fact, the idea is to create permanent, non-transferable tokens that represent your learning, achievements, and skills outside or beyond traditional education. Thank you for watching, and thank you Bolt for empowering builders like me to create meaningful solutions for global communities. This is Saul Kret.